Good morning. So once you've installed Proteus, let's open up a new project. You double click on the Proteus and probably you will have to put the password and the username that I gave you in the email. But I chose the last time I opened it to save my password so I don't have to put it in each time. And you are welcome to do that if you want. Now I have a project here because I started a project last time. I was playing around with it, but you maybe won't have one. So we go new project and you have to put a new name in there. So new project, or you can call it Lab 9 and put your name and put your name. And then you say next. So here you have the template. And what this is basically how big is the page that you're going to be using to do your design. So each one of these are bigger or smaller depending. I do encourage you to try a lot of them and see what fits. Some of the projects that we'll be doing for lab 8, 9, 10, and 11 are fairly small. So you can just choose a small one. I will go for the default this time around. In this case, we will not do a PCB layout. So we can just say, do not use a PCB layout. Next, and no firmware project. And we say next and finish. Takes a few minutes and you get to this screen over here where it's basically your schematic that you're going to be running. You have the pointer here, selection mode. You have the component mode right underneath. You have the junction dot mode. So this will be on how the dots are working here. And we have a whole bunch of other stuff that we need. Let me cover a few this morning. So you have here the terminal mode. So you have input, output, you will have power, and you have ground. We will use ground in these. We will not use the power from this point. You have here, which is and when you hover over it, sometimes you get the name of it, but these are the instruments. So you will have the oscilloscope that you will get from here. You also have a DC voltmeter, a DC ammeter, an AC voltmeter, and an AC ammeter that you might need. You have here generators. So this is where we will get our power if we want, not if we want, this is where we will get our power. So we can get a DC, we can get a sine wave, a pulse wave, we can get anything we need. And as we put them on, we will get, we will see them coming up. So this is just a small thing that we start at the beginning. I'm gonna stop this recording, and I'm gonna start a new one where we're gonna look for the parts that we need. We're gonna put them on and start creating our schematic.